Welcome to GigaBits. In the world of WordPress performance, caching plugins can make or break your site's speed, and two names that dominate the conversation in 2026 are WP Rocket and FlyingPress. Some developers swear WP Rocket is the gold standard because it's feature-rich and battle-tested. Others argue FlyingPress is the future, delivering blazing speeds with modern optimization techniques. But which one truly deserves the title of Best Cache Plugin? Today we're comparing them head-to-head to see which gives you the most performance for your money. To compare WP Rocket and FlyingPress fairly, I set up a test WordPress site with identical content, plugins, and theme. I then installed both caching plugins in separate environments. I measured page load times, time to first byte, TTFB, largest contentful paint, LCP, and other core web vitals, both on desktop and mobile. I also tested real-world use, publishing blog posts, uploading images, and serving traffic spikes. In addition, I examined user reviews from developers, WordPress forums, hosting communities, and performance groups. With a mix of real testing and community insight, here's a detailed breakdown of which plugin is the real deal in 2026. WP Rocket claims to offer easy, zero-configuration caching for beginners, page caching, browser caching, and database optimization, built-in lazy loading for images and videos, cache preloading and sitemap-based warm-up, minification and concatenation of CSS and JavaScript, compatibility with most themes, page builders, and hosting providers. FlyingPress claims to offer ultra-fast performance with modern optimization, intelligent cache invalidation, critical CSS generation, and font display optimization. Lazy loading, but smarter and more configurable. Built-in resource optimization without relying on third-party minifiers, integration with CDN, and modern delivery techniques. Powerful benefits, but which one shines in practice? Step 1. Performance and speed. In testing, FlyingPress delivered slightly faster page loads and better core web vitals, especially for LCP and FCP. Critical CSS generation and smart resource optimization reduced render blocking time. WP Rocket also performed very well, but its traditional minification and concatenation approach sometimes caused slight layout shift during load. Step 2. Cache preloading and warm-up. WP Rocket's sitemap-based cache warm-up worked reliably across the test site. This helped the first visitor, after clearing cache, get a fast experience. FlyingPress also has a pre-fetching mechanism and invalidation system, and its intelligent invalidation triggered less frequently, meaning fewer unnecessary rebuilds. Step 3. Resource optimization. FlyingPress offers modern resource optimization. It handles CSS and JS bundling smartly, supports async and defer loading, and produces critical CSS. These features improved rendering speed more effectively than WP Rocket's default methods. WP Rocket still provides minification and delayed JS, but it lacked some of the cutting-edge optimizations FlyingPress offers. Step 4. Lazy loading. Both plugins include lazy loading for images and videos. FlyingPress allowed more granular control. You can delay below-the-fold images, skip certain selectors, and optimize iframes. WP Rocket is simpler to configure, which makes it easier for beginners. Its lazy load is solid, though less flexible. Step 5. Compatibility and stability. WP Rocket is a mature plugin. It's highly compatible with a variety of themes, page builders, and hosts. No major conflicts appeared in testing. FlyingPress is newer but proved stable too. However, in a few edge cases with uncommon themes or custom setups, some configuration was required to avoid cache issues. Step 6. Usability and interface. WP Rocket's interface is user-friendly. Settings are clearly labeled, and you can configure caching without deep technical knowledge. FlyingPress also has a clean interface, but some of its advanced settings, such as critical CSS or font display, feel more geared toward power users and developers. Step 7. Cost versus value. WP Rocket is a premium paid plugin, but its price is justified by maturity, support, and broad compatibility. FlyingPress offers competitive pricing for the performance gain it gives, particularly for sites that care deeply about speed and core web vitals. For speed-focused websites, FlyingPress may offer more bang for buck. Step 8. Limitations. WP Rocket's traditional optimization techniques are reliable, but less modern. Some advanced tweaking requires external plugins or manual adjustments. FlyingPress can be overkill if you don't care about advanced performance metrics, and misconfiguring its options, e.g., critical CSS, can break layout if not handled carefully. So which cache plugin is best in 2026, WP Rocket or FlyingPress? Go with WP Rocket if you want a mature, well-supported, stable caching solution, prefer a simple setup and reliable defaults, run common themes or page builders and want maximum compatibility, don't necessarily need bleeding-edge optimizations. Choose FlyingPress if you want the absolute fastest page speed and best core web vitals, care deeply about LCP, CLS, and modern performance metrics, are comfortable tweaking advanced settings like critical CSS, have a performance-focused or high-traffic site where every millisecond counts bottom line. WP Rocket is the safer all-round powerhouse. FlyingPress is the high-performance specialist. Your best choice depends on whether you prioritize ease of use or maximum speed optimization. If this comparison helped you decide which caching plugin to choose, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down the latest performance tools and WordPress optimizations every week, so your site stays fast, efficient, and ahead of the pack.